Hi, it's Ramesha here with Vocal Bliss. This will be a very short video. I would like to teach you a quick exercise that will help you to develop vocal agility. This is an exercise that is very used by especially opera singers. This is one of the first exercises I learned from my teacher actually. So before we get into it, as always, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. Okay, so this exercise is basically one scale plus a note at the top, and then you come back down. So now I'm doing it very slow, and this is how I suggest you do it until you are able to really go through it, hitting the notes perfectly in terms of pitch, because it's very, very easy to go fast and then everything becomes a little garbled and you don't really discern anymore which notes you're actually singing. So so do it. And then you go up. And so on. You can keep going up. So once you've done this enough and you feel that you're able to go through the various notes and it's not hard for your throat to adjust to each position, then you can speed it up. You should be able to get at least to a pace that is like this. Making sure that the notes stay exactly on pitch. And so forth. So this seems like a simple exercise, but if you do it really, really well, it's not so easy. And especially when you go higher and you have to go through your transition, same idea, do it slow at first, especially if you're still having troubles with your transitions not being super smooth, and make sure that you do it smoothly. And this is also not an exercise that I recommend doing from the very beginning. I know my teacher taught me this exercise almost right away, but I was having a hard time doing it, I have to be honest. And so I would suggest maybe don't start with this one, but if you feel like you have a good placement, you feel like you're able to go through your transition, and you want to do something a little bit more advanced that helps you to really acquire this type of flexibility with your throat muscles, this is a good exercise for you. So try it out and let me know how it goes. And so there you go. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or how this works for you. Thanks. Bye.